In this video we're going to learn how to create kinetic typography in After Effects. Let's get started. First we create new composition with name text 2D. We made the width 1920 in height 1080 pixels and duration for 8 seconds. Okay, let's get it on. Let's select the text tool, and you can of course type in anything that you want. I'm just gonna go with Kinetic Typo with Helvetica Neue font. Let's align this into the center. Let's increase the spacing a bit. Let's set this to something like that. And let's try to align this. Turn on 3D mode. Play with Z rotation. Copy keyframe by Ctrl-C and paste keyframe by Ctrl-V. Ease keyframe by F9 and turn graph editor and edit. We create new composition with name text 3D. With the width 1920 in height 1080 pixels and duration for 8 seconds. Drag composition text 2D into composition text 3D. Right-clicking select new after select camera with type 2 node camera. Hit OK. Turn 3D mode for text 2D composition. Move camera. Press P to choose post ion, right-clicking to separate dimes ions. We add expression to Z post ion. To open the expression controls to the Z post ion property, select it and hold the Alt key. You click the stopwatch icon, the expression box will appear. Then you type transform.z position plus 20 index. Duplicate text 2D composition by Ctrl-D. Go to Effect and Presets, apply Effect Tint. Choose color UU. Copy effect tint by Ctrl-C. Paste effect to other layer by Ctrl-D. Press F2 to deselect all layer. Press Ctrl-Y to create new solid with name BG. Select all composition text 2D. Press to cut all layer 1 frame. Right-click, choose Keyframe Assistant, choose Sequence Layer. Select all composition text 2D. Press to expand all layer. Creating new adjustment layer, call color. Apply effect, hue saturation. Okay, we've done. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AE tutorials. What do you want us to animate next? Let us know in the comments section below. See you in the next video.